Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to add keyframes to your videos here in CapCut. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below, as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's open up one of our projects. Let's go for this one, and once this has been put in, we want to drag a video down just so we can add our keyframes. Okay, so you can see we have this one right here. To add a keyframe, what we need to do is make sure the clip is selected. Go to the very right hand side and you see these little buttons on the right hand side. These are the different options that allow you to add a keyframe. So for example, we have the scale, which has a keyframe. So if I click the middle button, that will add a keyframe. If I go slightly on and I decide to zoom in the video, I can add another keyframe right here. You can see it's automatically been added. So that as I go through and now press play, it will automatically zoom in at that point of the video. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.